Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be comparing the TP-Link Deco Mesh Wi-Fi system, Deco S4, with the Amazon eero 6 Wi-Fi extender. These two products are both excellent options for extending your home Wi-Fi coverage. Make sure to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with the latest tech reviews. Now, let's jump right into the comparison. When it comes to coverage, both the Deco S4 and the eero 6 extender offer impressive performance. The Deco S4 can cover homes up to 5,500 square feet, eliminating any dead zones. On the other hand, the eero 6 extender can add up to 1,500 square feet of Wi-Fi 6 coverage to your existing eero mesh system. In terms of speed, the Deco S4 offers incredibly fast AC 1200 speeds, allowing connectivity for up to 100 devices. The eero 6 extender uses true mesh technology to intelligently route traffic and reduce drop-offs, providing seamless streaming, gaming, and video conferencing experiences. Both products utilize mesh network technology, ensuring a seamless and stable Wi-Fi experience throughout your home. The Deco S4 employs advanced Deco mesh technology, forming a unified network with a single network name. This means devices automatically switch between Deco units for the fastest speeds, even as you move around your house. The eero 6 extender is designed to work with an existing eero network, allowing you to add as many eero 6 extenders as you need for maximum coverage. Both products support wired Ethernet backhaul for better speeds and come with multiple Ethernet ports. When it comes to parental controls, the Deco S4 takes the lead. With robust parental controls, you can easily limit online time and block inappropriate websites, creating unique profiles for each family member. The Deco app, available on Android and iOS devices, allows for easy setup and configuration. The eero 6 extender, on the other hand, offers simple setup through the eero app and is backward compatible with previous Wi-Fi generations. It also comes with automatic updates to keep your network safe and secure. In terms of price, the TP-Link Deco S4 is priced at $149, while the Amazon eero 6 Wi-Fi extender comes at a more affordable $69. Both products are compatible with various internet service providers, including AT&T, Verizon, Xfinity, Spectrum, and more. However, it is important to note that a modem is required for most internet service providers. To wrap it up, both the TP-Link Deco Mesh Wi-Fi system, Deco S4, and the Amazon eero 6 Wi-Fi extender offer great options for extending your home Wi-Fi coverage. The Deco S4 provides excellent coverage, fast speeds, and strong parental controls. On the other hand, the eero 6 extender offers Wi-Fi 6 technology, flexible expandability, and automatic updates. Depending on your budget and specific needs, either product could be the perfect fit. We hope this comparison helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. Thank you for watching.